to the contractors, Top Notch, as well as St. Timothy. Apparently, St. Timothy also has projects in your area, pati na yung Top Notch. What do you know about this?
Ate, buti tinanong mo yan, no? Unang-una, hindi ako nagtatanong sa mga, I don't ask my district engineers kung sino nanalo sa bidding. This is the first time I've asked the district engineer, nung lumabas yung 15 pangalan, this is the first time I've asked any of my district engineers kung sino yung mga nanalo sa bidding. Kasi nga, lumabas yung pangalan. So doon ko lang nalaman, no, na si St. Timothy tsaka si Top Notch, meron, no? Number 1 yan. Okay. Number 2, di ba sinabi nga buong Pilipinas, meron sila, di ba? Eh yung nabotas part ng Pilipinas siyempre posibleng magkaroon. Di ba? Ngayon, siguro mas nakakapagtaka kung wala yung Top Notch tsaka yung St. Timothy, baka pinagbawalan ng congressman na pumasok sa lugar niya dahil kanya lahat ng kontrata. Di ba? Hindi ba mas nagtataka ka doon kung buong Pilipinas meron sila sa ibang distrito? Tanong natin kay Saldico, meron ba sa kanilang Top Notch tsaka ano?
Okay, so basically you are categorically denying that you know these contractors, that you've ever worked with the contractors, and that you work with the district engineers?
No, I just asked the district
Ngayon lang.
engineer.
Oo, ngayon lang.
At recently, kasi sabi ko, meron ba yung mga dun sa 15 na listahan, meron ba? Sabi nga nila, yun na nga, sinabi sa akin may St. Timothy, hindi ko alam kung may Top Notch Basta, okay, so tinanong ko sa kanya, siguraduhin mo na ayos yung mga proyekto niyan. Sabi naman niya, ayos. The fact is, I do not ask nga kung sino yung nananalo, di ba?
Okay.
Kasi wala naman akong pakialam, sinasabi ko lang sa district engineer, siguraduhin mo ayos yung trabaho dahil kayo ang nagpabid niya.
Okay. And you also don't have any connections to these contractors? Hindi niyo po sila kilala?
I've never met St. Timothy. I've never met Top Notch. I've never met them.
Okay. That's clear. We leave the conversation there for now, and we'll have you back in
Thank you for
time.
asking. Thank you for asking that question.
Thank you.
Para maliwanag.
Oh,